Hello everyone. Once again I welcome you all to our channel Codify. So let us see what we are going to make today. So we are going to make a sandwich. First of all, we will see what are the steps required for making a sandwich. So we need to take a slice of bread. That is the first step. Then we need to apply butter on both sides. Then we need to place vegetables of our own choice, whatever it might be. So it differs according to the person. And then we need to add one more slice of bread and then we need to apply butter over it. Then we need to toast it on both the sides. Then plate it and serve. So I think you are all puzzled to know why I am telling you the steps for making a sandwich. So, this is a particular task. Making a sandwich is a particular task. So, for making a sandwich alone, you see how many steps we have followed. So, here we have to note this point. The list of steps, what and all we are requiring in order to complete a task, is called as algorithm. So when we want to complete a task and if you are noting down the list of steps for that task, that is called as algorithm. Okay. So this is why I showed you a sandwich. All right.